Yo, let's unbox a package from the homies over at Never Scared Lifestyle. What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today we got a package in from the homies over at Never Scared Lifestyle. They're up in Northern California. I think it's Santa Cruz. I might be wrong, but I think they're located in Santa Cruz. The dope thing about these dudes right here is they are set up exactly like I am. They do retail in the front, production in the back. This concept to me is one of the dopest ways of running a business. When you do everything in-house, it just makes sense to work this way. I'm surprised not a lot of other people operate this way, but the homies do it the same way I do. They got one of the dopest setups ever. Fresh epoxied floor. They got the dope lighting on the ceiling. The way they launch their stuff is once something drops, they don't reproduce it ever again. So if you don't get it, you don't get it. So shout out to Nico, shout out to Joe, shout out to all the homies over there at Never Scared. Let's get into this package right here. Like I always say, I support dope people doing dope things. I don't ask for nothing for free. If I rock with you, I rock with you. So let's get into this thing. Little blade right here. So let's see. They just dropped some shorts. That's what we're getting into right now. Obviously, size 2X. Drop something. They use Shopify, so here's the packing slip. They got that tree camo action right there. So let's see. Maybe I'll even try these on camera too, just so you guys know what the fit's like. But they just dropped these. There's the logo, Never Scared Lifestyle. Tree camo joints, the side, Never Scared. They got zippers on the pockets. They got a zipper on the back pocket. Woven label on the inside. Lining on the inside. These things feel dope and they look dope. Shout out to Tree Camo. Oh, and here's the drawstrings too. There it is. Here's the other one. I got size 2X. I wasn't sure what size I would be, but I felt like 2X would be the safe bet for myself. Here's the other one. This one kind of got like a paisley pattern to it. Logo right there. Side logo on the other one. Woven label. Size tag 2X, you see it. Zippers on the pockets all the way around. Drawstrings. The zippers on the pocket is a good move. I don't know if you ever wear mesh shorts with no zippers. You jump in the car, you sit down, and everything falls out. Your phone's sliding out, chapstick sliding out. So having zippers is a good move. But the pattern on this one is very subtle. I'm hoping you could see that. Like a bandana print, paisley print. So shout out to the homies, Nico and Joe over at Never Scared Lifestyle. Make sure you follow them on social media too. I think it's just under Never Scared Lifestyle. They put up dope content. They're in their store all the time, creating content, talking about how they came up, how they got started. They're very transparent with what they do and very accessible. If you guys have any questions about anything that they're doing, those dudes are always down to help out the next person coming up and push the culture forward. So I'm gonna turn the camera around, set some lights up, try these things on so you guys can see what the 2X fits like. All right, here it is right here. These are size 2X. This is the tree camo, Never Scared Lifestyle mesh shorts. Pockets feel cool. They got the zippers on the side. These are a 2X. They fall right at the knee. So there's the knees. That's where it falls right there. Exactly how I like to wear my shorts. I'm not a big thigh high kind of guy. This to me fits perfect. 2X was the right move for myself. In the waist, it fits good. This is what they look like right here. Perfect summertime shorts right here. I think they made these perfect, man. Good, lightweight with the lining. Zippers on the pocket was the move. Sizing fits good. Length is perfect. Let's try out those paisley ones now. All right, now here's the paisley shorts. It's what they fit like, just like the other ones. Same fit, just different color. Super comfortable. Big logo on the side. Zippers feel good. Small logo on this side. Here's the back. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the front. Shorts are perfect for the summertime, man. I like these. Shout out to the homies over at Never Scared Lifestyle, making something that's worth wearing. Hopefully the camera's picking this thing up. I really can't see how it's framed up, but here it is. All right, there you have it. Shout out to Never Scared Lifestyle. Shorts are dope. They fit cool. Perfect timing for this summer weather coming up. So you'll for sure see me in these all the time, especially if they drop other colors and stuff like that. I might jump on them also. So please remember, always support your homies. I don't never ask for nothing for free. If I rock with you, I rock with you. And it's just like that. But when I see anybody out there grinding and going after it, I know what that hard work is like. I know what that sacrifice is like. I also know what those long hours feel like. So anytime I see somebody getting it, just know I'm hyping you up from my area. You know what I mean? I'll leave the contact and all their information in the description box for you guys so you can check them out too. But I highly encourage everybody to check out their social platforms and watch the journey. To me, that's the best part about social media, especially when you own a business, is tracking the journey. You get a good idea on what the ups and the downs look like. As business owners, being that transparent with our audience only makes us more relatable to the audience, because not everything's a win. Not everything's a home run, and we're all out here doing what we can to get by. So shout out to Never Scared Lifestyle. Shout out to Nico and Joe. If you got any questions about anything you've seen here, make sure you leave it in the comments for me. And if you wanted to, follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.